Be ready. Start. The present appeal arises out of judgment and order passed by the division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Madras, dismissing the appeal preferred by the appellant against order of single judge directing him to pay rupees 19 lakhs to the respondent. Stop. The short facts relevant for our purpose are as follows. Stop. The respondent filed a suit for recovery of money against the original defendants for a sum of rupees 79 lakhs with interest at the rate of 9% on the principal amount of rupees 58 lakh loaned by the said respondent under a mortgage through title deeds. Stop. Pending disposal of the suit, the appellant purchased the property from the original defendants. Stop. The appellant is said to have filed an application for impleadment and that came to be dismissed and the said order attained finality. Stop. The suit was decreed and the final decree came to be passed against defendants for a sum of rupees 79 lakhs with further interest at the rate of 9% per annum. Stop. The appellant's challenge to the judgment and decree passed by the trial court have failed all through, and the prolonged litigation has come to a stage where the appellant has ultimately paid a total amount of rupees 1 crore, whereby the High Court has closed the proclamation proceedings by his order. Stop. It is at this stage that respondent filed an application before the learned single judge against order stating that appellant still owes him rupees 19 lakhs. Stop. The learned single judge wide order allowed the said application of the respondent, set aside the order closing the proclamation proceedings, and directed the appellant to make payment of the due amount of rupees 19 lakh. Stop. On appeal by the appellant, the division bench affirmed the said order of the learned single judge wide order impugned before us. Stop. Though this court issued notice, the matter has prolonged for some reason or the other. Stop. When the case was listed before us, we suggested the parties that they must try and settle the dispute in view of the long-standing litigation involving heavy expenditure and wastage of valuable time. Stop. It is apparent to us that learned senior counsel for the respondent has tried his best, but the matter has remained inconclusive. Stop. Having considered the matter in detail and in the facts and circumstances of the case, we are of the opinion that interest of justice will be subserved if we direct the appellant to pay to the respondent a sum of rupees 15 lakhs as full and final settlement of all dues and in complete satisfaction of the final decree. Stop.